Is your email an important tool or a frustrating chore?
For many people, it's both. We rely on our email to get things done, but we dread the amount of time it takes to read through and respond to all our messages.
Effective email management skills will help you organize your inbox so your email becomes more of a helpful tool and less of a chore. In this course, we're going to look at 6 tips to manage your inbox more efficiently.
Before we look at the tips, let's talk about what effective email management does for us.
An effective email strategy has 3 goals. 1, keep our inbox clean so incoming mail isn't missed. 2, easily identify the emails that require attention or action. And 3, be able to easily find important emails in the future.
You can see the benefit of having an effective email management strategy when you compare these goals to how some people manage their emails today.
Deleters read their emails and then delete them. Their inbox is always squeaky clean because they never save anything. But that also means they can't refer back to old emails that might be important. Deleters often have to annoy their coworkers or clients to resend important emails because they didn't save them.
Hoarders are the opposite. Hoarders have hundreds or even thousands of emails in their inbox because they never take the time to organize their email. In a hoarder's inbox, it's easy for important emails to get overlooked, and it can be hard to figure out which emails still need replies or other actions.